In this video, we will learn how to format numbers in millions in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some data with the sales data with the revenue. So I select here the revenue column and right click to the mouse and click on the format cells option. Okay. The format cell dialog box is open. In number tab, click on the customs and select this one and use the dollar sign first, then remove the 10, then use the 1 comma for thousand, use the 2 comma for million, and here you can use the million for m in double quote. Okay, so here you can see the sample and just click on OK. So that's it. This format you converted in million. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.